now that we've gone over how to find the amount of discount or rebate, we're going to do some comparing. So we want to figure out which is the better deal. So we have a monetary incentive. It says a financial reason to buy a particular item. Well, monetary is related to money. An incentive, it's something that motivates or encourages you to do something, like in school when you get an incentive to complete your homework for the week. That would be an incentive, but monetary has to do with money. So we have the coupons, you know, those paper, or maybe they don't do paper anymore. I'm old school. But that would be a discount that when you use a coupon, it is subtracted off of the total before you pay for it. Then you have a rebate, which is a partial return or refund of an amount. In that situation, you would pay the full price for the item, but then you would have to fill out some form to get the rebate money back. So it is a discount eventually, as long as you fill out the rebate. As you can see, I did write out the setup to find the percent, because these ones do have percent involved. It's the percent number in decimal form. Remember, move your decimal 2 places to the left. Let me add that in there. So decimal 1, 2 places to the left, and times the original amount, and it would give you the amount of discount. So if we look at the first example, it says compare the incentives to determine the better bargain. Well, we have clean carpets. They have a 12-ounce container. We have Magic Carpet. Their carpet cleaner also is 12 ounces, so they're the same sizes. Clean carpets is $1.50 off $4.99 retail price. So for clean carpets, it's only going to be $1.50. There's no percent in there, so they're going to have $1.50 off. Okay, but then when we look at Magic Carpet, there says 25%, so we have the 25%, so we're going to have to do the calculations using our little setup from above, and that's going to be 25% of the $4.99. So when we do this, we need to take our decimal and move the decimal 2 places to the left. That would give us 0.25 times $4.99. And when we do that, it's going to give us 1.2475, this whole big number. But because it's money, money only goes to the hundredths place, so 2 numbers after the decimal. We look at the third number, and because that's a 7, that would mean 25% off is going to be $1.25. Question number 3, which company has the better incentive? So which one's going to get you more money back or taken off to begin with? That would be clean carpets. Okay, so let's move on to the second example. Now we have Stuff Fluff Pillow. They're both from Stuff Fluff Pillow, but one of them says we have a 15% rebate. The original price is $28. The second one says you have a sale price of $24 and it originally was $28. So we're going to start with the number 4 that says determine the savings after the 15% rebate. Let's do 15% of 28. Okay, so take your decimal, move it 2 places to the left. That would give you 0.15 times 28, and when you calculate that, it would equal $4.20. So for the 15% rebate, you're going to get $4.20 off. For number 5, determine the savings after the sale. Well, if we look at the second one, the original price was $28. Then you're going to pay $24, so you figure out the difference in the amount, the dollar amounts, and then that would give you $4. So that would be your savings after the sale. Now, which is the better incentive to buy the pillow? $4.20 is more than $4 savings, so therefore the 15% rebate has the better incentive. So when you're doing your assignment, you're going to be comparing some that will have percentages, some that will have dollar amounts, but if it has the percentage in the problem, you're going to need to do the calculation of the percent in decimal form times the original. And if you don't, then you will most likely have a problem. Don't assume because the number looks bigger that it's better. You have to do the calculations to make that decision. Good luck on the assignment. Let me know if you have any questions. In case you forgot, remember the setup is here at the beginning.